Yes, so we can discuss about one of the interesting subject in trending technologies, that is edge computing. Formerly, a new technology trend to watch cloud computing has become mainstream with major players AWS, that is Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform dominating the market. The adoption of cloud computing is still growing as more and more businesses migrate to a cloud solution. As the quantity of data organizations are dealing with continues to increase. They have realized that the shortcomings of cloud computing in some situations. Edge computing is designed, just a minute. Edge computing is to help solve some of those problems as a way to bypass the latency caused by cloud computing and getting data to a data center for processing. It can exist on the edge, if you will, closer to where computing needs to happen. For this season, edge computing can be used to process time sensitive data in remote locations with limited or no connectivity to a centralized location. In those situations, edge computing can act like mini data centers. Edge computing will increase as use of Internet of Things devices increases. By 2022, the global edge computing market is expected to reach $7 billion, and this technology trend is only meant to grow and nothing less, creating various jobs primarily for software engineers. Keeping in line with cloud computing, including new age edge and quantum computing will help you grab emerging jobs like quantum computing will help you grab jobs like cloud reality, cloud reliability engineer, cloud infrastructure engineer, cloud architect and security architect, and DevOps cloud engineer. Note, edge computing is different from cloud computing. However, it is the buzz work in the new technology trends. Likewise, basically we can think about that in short is edge computing is an independent data center to compute and to process in a easiest way, instead of using cloud computing. Cloud computing is highly useful, but in certain data interruptions and air problems and all these are there means, and network problems are there means, it is cloud computing will also not work 100%. That time edge computing means that the data itself in your central operation of your system, and then you are using it, then it is the centralized data process. You can say that so edge computing will be highly useful to settle and to process and to give good result also. So edge computing is the highly trending technology nowadays. Certain times in edge computing, one other way also they are using, but is what are the requirements of data and everything they are computing and getting from cloud at par. After getting that, edge computing is starting to process, analyze and segregate and give a report also. Likewise, edge computing is nothing but it is a centralized database to use, that is edge computing. Edge computing will be highly useful with the time sensitive locations also. So that is the information I want to share with you. So be careful, and it will be useful in a good trend. So wishing you all the best.